You just had a resident move out. Now what? This quick video will explain the next steps in the process. Move-out inspection. Our field manager will conduct a move-out inspection. At this inspection, the field manager will take a video of the conditions of the property and document any damages. The inspection notes and video will be shared with you via email. Security deposit disposition. The damages will be applied against the security deposit. A security deposit disposition letter is sent to the resident with a breakout of all expenses and a description of damages, if any. This must be sent to a former resident within 30 days. The move-out charges and security deposit transfer will appear on your owner's statement with the descriptions of bank transfer and clearing account on move-out. This is how Appfolio names the transaction. Scope of work and estimates for unit turn. If Rentwell is handling the unit turn, you will receive a scope of work along with the estimates to complete the work. Upon your approval and funding of your account, we will begin the work. We will not begin the work until you have funded your account. Once we begin the turn, our target is to complete the job in 21 days or less. Utilities. Please contact the utility companies to turn on services in your name starting the day your resident is scheduled to move out. The best way to do this is to set up a landlord account with the utility company, and for all future move-outs, your property manager can have it switched on your behalf, saving you time with future vacancies. Please ensure the mailing address is Rentwell, P.O. Box 366, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026-366. Changing the locks. At the time of the move-out inspection, our field manager will change the locks. Rentwell uses the landlord lock system, the same system used by our government for its strong security. If you don't already have it installed at your property, we strongly recommend it. Please contact your property manager for more information. Marketing. Once the property is completed with renovations and is in rent-ready condition, we will syndicate the listings to 39 websites. This is your opportunity to get updated photography if needed, as well as state-of-the-art technology called Matterport. This will give you a 3D property walkthrough, pictures, and floor plans to share. We hope that you found this helpful, and thank you again for partnering with Rentwell on your investment properties.